I live my life with purpose. My purpose is to discover my inner power, and that power comes from knowing I'm a piece of the Creator. Therein springs forth all that is good, beautiful, and sacred, waiting to be expressed through me. I'm a messenger of that divine power. I'm the source of my inner strength, peace, love, joy, and all I ever truly desire. This is the source of my true power, and this is my purpose. The power of oneness allows me to tap into the collective consciousness. And I know my next best move that would benefit the whole. It puts me in service to others. This is the power of unity consciousness. I am Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian. Aloha.